With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us look at the following question. A class of problem that requires one to use permutation and combination for computing probability has its hard notation of sets and subsets. They are generally an abstract formulation of some concrete situation and require the application of counting technique. A is a set of containing 10 elements. A subset P1 of A is chosen and the set A is chosen. And the set A is reconstructed by replacing the elements of P1. Then again A subset P2 of A is chosen and again the set A is reconstructed by replacing the elements of P2. This process is continued by choosing subsets P1, P2 up to P10. The number of ways of choosing subsets P1, P2, P to the power 10 is, and then 4 options are given to us. So in the question they have said that there is a subset that A contains 10 elements and A will be the subset of P1. And here if A is chosen, then the set A is reconstructed again by replacing the elements with P1. Suppose if A subset is chosen, and in the question if they have chosen A subset of P1, A subset of P1 they have chosen, then the set A is chosen and this set A is reconstructed again by replacing the elements with P1. Now if A is subset of P2 is chosen, now A subset of P2 is chosen, so this A will again be reconstructed by replacing the elements with P2. So this process will be continued by choosing subsets P1, P2, till P to the power 10. We have to find the number of ways of choosing subsets P1, P2 and P to the power. Let's see the solution for this question. So, number of subsets that A contains, number of subsets of A. Now A has 10 elements. So, number of subsets of containing 10 elements. And this question will be, now this process is repeated 2 times, so this will be 2 to the power 10. Now they have said for A1, suppose we have chosen the elements for A1. Now this A1 will have 2 to the power 10 options to be chosen. Similarly, A2 will have again 2 to the power 10 options, and this process will continue up to the subset A of A to the power 10. Now we have to find in this question that is given to find the number of ways. So number of ways of choosing subsets P1, P2 and up to P to the power 10 is, this will be, now for choosing one subset this was 2 to the power 10. Similarly, if A1 is having 2 to the power 10 subset, A2 will also have 2 to the power 10. Similarly, A3 will also, the subset will go to the power 10. Now 2 to the power 10 whole to the power 10 will give us the answer 2 to the power 100. This is our answer. Now let us look at the option. So from all the options, option B is correct. I hope you understood this question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.